Hello and welcome to WebPros Meeting. This tutorial shows you how to use chat messaging in a meeting to help more people participate, open up, and stay engaged to the end. Chat, also called messaging, is one of the easiest ways to keep people engaged in a live meeting. In live meetings, not everyone is comfortable speaking up on mic or appearing on camera. Some guests would rather type a question, share feedback, or respond quietly in the chat. That's what makes this feature so useful. Chat gives people a simple way to participate during the meeting. They can share links, answer questions from the presenter, ask for clarification, or communicate if they don't have a microphone or, like many, simply prefer to use text chat. In a controlled webinar-style event, the host can set chat so messages go only to the host and are not seen by the other guests. This is especially helpful for people who may feel shy about asking a question in front of others. To have all chat messaging to be viewed only by the host clicks Guest List. Manage all guest rights, then in the messaging section, selects Host. Now, all messages sent by guests will only be seen by the host. This is an important setting to consider because when people know their message is private, they often feel more comfortable opening up and asking questions. The host can then answer those questions during the meeting or follow up afterward. Only the host can activate the auto-save chat feature, which you can see has already been activated. When chat is saved, the host can access the archived conversation by opening that meeting in the calendar. When used well, chat messaging helps people stay involved, feel heard, and stay connected to the meeting without disrupting the flow of the meeting. Thank you for your interest in WebPros Meeting, and thanks for watching!